Why we sell Cuckoo clocks in 2026? Well, let me be honest, selling Cuckoo clocks in 2026 doesn't make much sense. Yeah? They are not digital, they are not cheap, they are not fast, and that's exactly the point. Yeah? Most products today are built for speed, for volume, even for replacement. Cuckoo clocks are built completely differently. Solid wood, mechanical precision, crafted by real German hands in the Black Forest. When you hold one which is authentic in your hands, you feel it. Yeah, the weights, the carving, the movement. You can't copy that. Yes, there are cheaper versions, there are lookalikes, there also are German style products, but real craftsmanship still stands out. Yeah? We work directly with the manufacturers in the Black Forest, and well, sometimes we do have to push very hard. We ask for better finishes, stronger details, exclusive designs. Yeah, some of our models exist because we insisted, because it's our name on it. So it also has to present something real in a market focused on quantity. Yeah, so a lot of volume. We focus on quality. That's not the easiest path, but it is ours in 2026. That's a decision. And we have made it. Yeah. So if you also value tradition over trends, welcome to Montag Steins Clocks. Visit us at steinsandclocks.com. Take your time, and if you have a question, let us know. Thank you very much, and we truly appreciate it. Bye-bye.